finish all my chores, free time.
Let's go. Oh, triple kill. Let's go, dude. Ha. I'm so good at this game. Let's go, headshot. Oh, God damn it, I can't hear anything with this rubbish sound. Doodle poo. Come over here.
Just
now.
sit down.
Where is our goal? Now,
Alright,
come
coming! Jeez. Always the same thing. Yes, what do you want? Jeez, I came all the way from downstairs. What do you want?
Oh, you're here. Finally, you took 1 billion years to get here, you know. You passed me the remote control. Oh, it's right there.
Seriously? You called me all this way up here just to get your remote control? Gosh, can't take some rest around here. So, like I was doing.
There's a poop! There's a poop! Come here!
Ah!
Can I get that remote control, please?
Seriously? It looks like I'm having a deja vu right now. It's late anyways. I'm just gonna go to bed. I can't do this anymore. I can't handle this. I can't. I just can't handle this anymore.